Want to know how much time you spend on your iPhone? Apple's Screen Time feature helps you track app usage, set limits, and gain insights into your digital habits. Let's go through how to check screen time on your iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Screen Time Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Step 2. View daily and weekly usage. From the Screen Time menu, tap on See All App and Website Activity. Here, you'll see a summary of your daily usage. Tap on Week or Day to see the respective reports. By following these steps, you'll have a clear picture of your screen habits and can take control of your iPhone usage. If you have any questions or need further assistance, let me know. And if the video helps you out, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.